नमस्कार प्यारे विद्यार्थियों। रिसेंटली हमने एक वीडियो बनाया था टीसीएस रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस के बारे में, किस तरीके से प्रोसेस होता है। इफ एनीबॉडी वांट टू become a part of TCS, how they can become a part of it. It was appreciated by many of the students, and we thought why not to make another videos similar to these kind of videos for another organization. So today we are coming up with another video from one of the leading IT MNC. It is among top 10 IT company of our country, Hexaware Technologies Limited. It is one of the leading organizations. So today we will talk about how Hexaware Technologies Limited recruit the freshers, how they recruit the GETs, graduate engineer trainees. So this is all about today's video. So basically Hexaware Technology Limited, as I have already told, it is one of the leading IT MNC. It is among top 10 IT MNC in our country, and it has a big brand image. And if anyone want to become a part of Hexaware, how they can become a part of it. So normally they recruit the freshers through campus interview, through off-campus interview, through referrals, through some kind of hackathon and challenges. These are the ways by which Hexaware Technology is recruited. We will talk about how they recruit the candidate through the campus recruitment. We will talk about 2025 batch. If they are recruiting for 2025 batch, either they'll come for the campus, or if they'll not come for the campus, in some colleges they'll go for the off campus, and that will take place after a certain period of time. So you have to prepare well so that when you are getting an opportunity to sit for the Hexaware, you can easily crack it. What Hexaware, how Hexaware, and what are the package, what are the profile, and what are the eligibility, we will just discuss in detail. So Hexaware normally recruit the BTech candidates as well as the MCA for the GET profile, graduate engineer trainee profile. When we talk about the eligibility criteria, the eligible branches, the computer science, IT, AI, these all related to the computer science branches are eligible. EC is also eligible, electrical is also eligible for sitting into the Hexaware process. Only the mechanical and civil engineering branches or the MTech, they will not be eligible for the recruitment process of Hexaware. When we talk about the package, they give a package of 4 lakhs per annum to any freshers who are getting a basic GET offer. If any students are extraordinary, if they are getting the offer of PGET, that is a premium graduate engineer trainee offer, then they'll get a package of 6 lakhs. That is some kind of the extraordinary offer which Hexaware give to those candidates who are good in technical, who are good in coding concept. When we talk about the locations, all pan India locations they have as per the business requirement, you will get the location accordingly. If you talk about gap, some IT companies are having maximum or the minimum 2 year of gap, but in this Hexaware process you will get a gap of only 1 year. More than 1 year you won't be eligible for this recruitment process. They also go for the recruitment process. When they are going, they take a written examinations, and the written examinations carries 2 round of process. One is the online aptitude test as well as the communication test. After clearing into both the processes, you will be eligible for the technical interview, and if you are clearing the technical, the HR interview will take place. It's a very good organizations. Our student also recruited by this Hexaware Technologies, and they are doing well. They are extremely satisfied, and it is also one of the leading organizations. So if you really want to become a part of it, you have to explore your skills, you have to work on your aptitude, you have to work on your communication also, because in this process they take the communication test, and the Hexaware normally take the test through their online whatever portal they have, or they are hiring, they are taking the online test through the another portal like CoCube, Aeon or MCAT, whatever they use, as per their choices they use. But we have to be very thorough with the knowledge. If we are sitting for the first round of process aptitude, if we are not cracking it, then definitely will not be eligible for the other round. So we have to crack the aptitude, we have to crack the communication test. They'll check your communication through the test, your grammar, your language part, as well as after clearing both the assessment, you will be eligible for the technical interview or the HR interview. Technical interview also, they want the basic concept of coding, programming you must know. You have to have a good idea about C, C++, either you are using Python or you are using Java. You should have a good knowledge about it, and if you are having any kind of advanced knowledges, it will give you a extra benefit or the advantages. Your projects, your internship will plays a very important role for sitting into the process to crack this kind of process. So it's a very good organizations. You have to work hard for that, and we will come up with again these kind of more videos with some more organizations so that you can get a better idea, better awareness. With the same word, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद, जय भारत.